So here is my third trade. Actually, I was typing up an email and I missed this early entry right here. So I could have gotten all of this right here. So I've entered late. Though all my conditions are all met, market's down 20 points. So I went into the trade here. This super trend here, the ATM. So I just got my first take profit here. This super trend here, that's where my initial stop loss is set. And then it moves to break even minus 32. And once it moves further, then it'll move 2 candles back. Again, courtesy of Blue's strategy, I have the change of background. I have the BB percentage here at the oversold level here, and this is a indicator. This is a volume and choppiness indicator here. So once I get the red volume and I get the 3 dots, minimum two to 3 dots, then that tells me I can go into the trade safely. So again, I know some of you are saying these are big candlestick. For me, this slows down the trading for me because I do work a full-time job. This allows me to look at the trade. If I get a signal, I'll go into the trade and just let my ATM does its work. And so it's like a set it and forget it. And I just need just half a bar for my take profit. Actually, I'm gonna move my stop loss to a little bit above break even. Okay, so we just got word that the Dow just fell 300 points. So I do expect price to go down even further. And you can see I just, my stop loss just moved to break even. So I do expect this to go down further. This could be a slight pullback and I might get stopped out here, which is probable. And you can see here the blue candle, that means it's going up.
Order filled.
Just got stopped out. So that's my third trade here.